Hello and welcome to ExpertEase AI. Today, I'll introduce you to our API and show how you can integrate it directly into your backend systems. In simple terms, our API lets you bring our AI straight into your app, website, or system. Instead of typing into our chat interface, your application can automatically send questions and get smart answers, seamlessly, efficiently, and fully under your control. First, head to your ExpertEase AI dashboard. Click on API key in the sidebar. Here you'll find two main endpoints, one for creating chat histories and another for generating AI responses. To get started, select the bot you want to use. For example, I'll select ExpertEase AI. You'll see your API key here, and you can also generate a new one if needed. Copy this key, it's what you'll use in your environment files or code. Next, create a new chat history. This gives your bot a chat history ID, which is later used to generate AI responses. You can test this using two methods, curl or JavaScript. For the curl method, copy the post command, paste it into your terminal, and run it. You'll receive a response confirming that the chat history was created, along with the ID of the bot and the chat session. Alternatively, you can use JavaScript. Create a file called testapi.js, paste the snippet from the dashboard, and run it in your terminal using Node-E. You'll get the same response, confirming the chat history creation. Now, let's move to the second endpoint, generating AI responses. Using the chat history ID you just created, send a query to the API. For example, "Hello, how can you assist me today?" The API responds instantly. You can modify the query as needed, and the AI will answer accordingly. You can pass these responses directly into your app, website, or system, ensuring your users get a smooth, automated experience. Our interface also shows token usage and which tools or documents were referenced to generate the answer. And that's it. You've now seen how easy it is to integrate ExpertEase AI into your applications. Thanks for watching, and start building smarter, more interactive experiences today.